CERAM-A-STAR 1050 is the industry's strongest, most durable, and best-performing SMP paint system. Fact, and we'll prove it. It's not only shown in the quality of work we carry out in our labs, but also evidenced by the real-world testing we subject our coil coatings to in locations around the world and at our main independently certified test facility in South Florida. Here, the brilliant sun, soaring temperatures, driving rain, salt spray, and high humidity really punish the samples exposed to it. We test many aspects of quality and test competitor products under the same conditions. We test for gloss retention. And over 3 years of exposure, the competition lost 60% of their gloss. CERAM-A-STAR 1050 retained 2 times more gloss, a difference that is clear to see. We test for color fade, returning an average delta E color difference of 1.6 after 3 years for all colors. Our competitor faded 1.5 times more than ours. When focusing on dark colors, results are even more dramatic. And our medium colors similarly outperform competitor offerings. The biggest difference between CERAM-A-STAR 1050 and our competitors is the performance results highlighted in our test data. And this is why CERAM-A-STAR 1050 has been leading the way since 2005. Unlike our competitors, we made sure our formulation was exactly right from the very start. Tried, tested, proven. CERAM-A-STAR 1050 protects what you apply it to, and also your brand and reputation, by performing like no other. CERAM-A-STAR 1050, proven to perform.